If you're seeing the Gmail error 5 of 846, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick and easy fixes that can help you get Gmail working again without wasting time. We'll start with the simplest troubleshooting steps first, and these are the ones that often solve the problem right away. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and helpful guides. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and try Gmail in Incognito Mode or a private window. To do that, click the three dots in the top corner of your browser menu, then choose New Incognito Window or New Private Window. This gives you a clean session without old cookies, cache, or extensions interfering. Once the private window opens, go to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. After signing in, check whether Gmail loads properly and see if the error 5846 is still showing. If Gmail works in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data, extensions, or saved settings. In that case, the next step is to clear your browser data. Open your browser menu again by clicking the three dots, then look for Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. When the settings window opens, make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. These are the most common items that can cause Gmail to malfunction. Once those boxes are selected, click Clear Data. After the process finishes, close the browser completely and then reopen Gmail at mail.google.com to test it again. Now, if the issue is still happening, the next thing to try is a different browser. Open Gmail in another browser such as Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or any other browser you have installed. This is a very useful test because it helps you determine whether the error is specific to one browser or whether it's a wider Gmail issue. Sign in again and see if Gmail loads normally. If Gmail works in a different browser, then the original browser is likely causing the error, and you may need to update it, reset its settings, or disable extensions one by one. These three steps solve a lot of Gmail problems, especially when the issue is caused by corrupted cache, cookies, or browser conflicts. The good news is that none of these fixes take very long, and you can usually complete all of them in just a few minutes. So if you're stuck on Gmail error 5846, start with incognito mode, then clear your browser data, and finally test another browser to narrow down the cause. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.